Hey, APUSHers, with 69 days left before the APUSH exam, this is what I would do to make sure that I was prepared. We've been going through tips regarding the APUSH SAQs, short answer questions. So we already covered the first one, which is based on a primary source, and the second one, which is based on secondary sources. Now questions 3 and 4 are a little different. They have no stimulus. They just are straightforward, the prompts. Now you have a choice between question 3 or 4, and they usually are going to tackle a similar skill from a different time period. So they might both be on causation, they might both be on comparison, or they might both be on continuity and change over time. So we're going to tackle the skill of comparison in short answer questions 3 and 4 today. So if you take a look at these questions here, you can see that they are both on comparison, and you can find these questions if you just Google APUSH practice test. It'll be the first link that you find. So around page 31, you're going to see these two questions. You can see that they are both covering comparison, but the question 3 is from periods 3 and 4, whereas question 4 is from periods 7 and 8. So often A and B are going to be very similar. One question is going to ask for a similarity between something, and part B is going to ask for a difference, or vice versa. And then part C does vary a little bit. Sometimes, like in this question, it asks for an effect of the topic of the question. So an effect of mass media or something like that. But another style is a reason for the difference. So you describe a difference between something in part B, and then you need to describe the reason for that difference. And so this is something that is very useful to practice as you're preparing for the AP exam. Usually students have an easier time determining differences and a harder time determining similarities. So pay attention to various opportunities in the curriculum for you to practice this, thinking about comparing different world events and how the US does or doesn't get involved in them, thinking about various economic changes or social movements. So think about things that take place in multiple time periods, and then spend a little bit of time describing a similarity, a difference, and then a reason for the difference or an effect of that development. So today, March 2nd, 2024, we are 69 days out from the APUSH exam, and today I would like for you to practice the short answer question type 3 and 4 with the skill of comparison.